Guys, we're going for dinner.
Alright, guys.
Yes, yeah. My retail.
No, my friend. Sleep there.
No, what? No good.
Hotel there.
No good.
1 minute. Guys, we're going for dinner, then a nice walk. We call it a day.
Ready to go.
All right. Yeah, you can show me.
Yes, I can show you.
What's your name anyway?
Oh, my name is Daniel. Yes.
Daniel.
Daniel.
Daniel is not the real name. Original name.
Yeah.
What's your real name?
My real name is
Chungkyo.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's my real name. Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Well-
you here is dipping sauce here, the fish sauce. Okay?
Yeah.
You can dip it. Yes. First you go here.
Yeah. Basically, you are preparing for me. You
Yes.
make for me. Yeah.
So this is the traditional food from Hanoi. Yes.
This is chili, right?
Yes, but just for decoration. It's not spicy.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay. So what you take from me is 2 layers of the rice over here.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. You can put in a bit here. And let's take a lettuce bit
Yeah.
inside here. You take some fresh. Here we got some
Meat.
yes, the mashallah here for you.
This is like a bank sauce, similar.
Yeah, it's a similar
process.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay. And then you take some here's some jasmine and coriander.
Yeah.
Yes, inside here. Okay, and this is here we got purple perilla. Okay. Yes, inside here. You take some noodles too.
Yeah.
Right inside here. Yes. Okay. And you can use a spoon here to grab some meat. Yes, I will
Yeah.
take the meatball for you.
Yeah.
Inside here. Okay. I will take some cheese for two.
Yeah.
Yes. Inside
You're making me hungry.
and then you just need to roll it.
To roll it. Yeah.
Yes, like this.
That's it. And then
Yes.
you eat the full roll.
And now you can give it a sausage. and try it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And that's it. Then it's time to go home, finish
Thanks, my friend.
packing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm coming home.
You go home and finish your shift.
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you very much,
You are
yeah.
from Hanoi, yeah?
Yes, I'm from Hanoi.
Say.
Hello, everybody.
Good restaurant. What's the name
My
of the
friend
restaurant?
Camero.
Carmel.
My friend Camero.
Yes, exactly.
I'm T.
Tell the name of the restaurant if they want to see you.
Hong Hoai.
Hong Hoai.
Hong Hoai
Hong Hoai restaurant. Very good.
Thank you very much.
Very good, yeah. Have a
Gracias.
good weekend. Grazie. Come on.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you. Yeah, bye bye.
Good bunch of people.
I hope to see your video soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Good night here.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Bye bye. Today I believe it's the second subscriber. Also the Grab driver asked me for my channel. So far I have 188 subscribers. So let's see when you watch this video how many more I will have, or maybe less. Who knows?
You have to go now?
Yes, I go. I go for a walk.
Night market.
Night market, yeah,
Night market.
yeah, it's there, yeah.
Very
Old
good.
Quarter, it's good, it's good. I know it's very beautiful.
I know, very good,
Just
sir.
fucking hot.
Very hot.
Yeah, but it's good.
good, sir.
It's good. Hello. All right. So guys, that's it. That was it's a good dinner, and yeah, now we go to the Old Quarter. Let's see what's going on. So, all right, now want to check souvenir shop. Maybe I buy a key holder or something. Let's see what gems I can find. People eating on the street. Also, it's not too hot tonight. Very good. Maybe it's 28, which is, I mean, it's hot, but not for Vietnam. I believe this is a cafe. Sometimes they do live music outside there. Ah, you see? In fact, spam. Sugarcane. By the way, this cafe.
Đây bây giờ người nghỉ mà.
Basically, here on the right there is the night market. Right and left. Basically, we are crossing the night market. Bloody mess. Lot of bags. It's more for women, I believe. But
This four I will take.
Hello, you want massage? Body for massage?
such another time. Now go sleep. Hello, my friend. See what's going on here. All right, guys. Let's see actually up there. Some live music. Hello. It's a good place. Couple of backpackers. What's going on here? Ah, fresh veggies. Hello, hello. People watching some sport events, some major coffee shops and bars. They show, yeah, sport events and stuff. Go home, home. Sleep, sleep. It's too late.
You take the video.
I take video, yeah.
Just only go home.
Go home. Yeah, tired, tired.
You don't want any like happy ending.
Happy ending? No, no, no. Already had happy ending. Thank you. No, 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 my friend. All is good.
Okay.
Thank you. Good night.
Maybe see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, maybe, maybe. Same place.
Yeah, what up?
What's up? No, Zalo. Tomorrow I'm leaving, my friend.
Oh, you leave?
Yeah.
Where you go?
Good night, my friend. Thank you.
See you next
Same
time.
place every time. Show you a bit around here. See how it goes. Hey, you got it.
Step down from 2, the back row is into the midfield, and just really closes it all up. Trying to see him have another go.
Very good. Ah.
1 hour photo.
1 hour?
Yeah, yeah.
How much? How much?
After one more, no problem.
Money, money. How much?
Yeah, yeah.
How much? 1 hour?
My friend, one more, no problem. Okay.
How much?
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Money, money?
Come back, like Hồ Tây,
Price, price.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Price.
Yeah,
100,000?
yeah.
No, it's okay. No, no, no.
How much?
How much? Price, price.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes là 150.
Ah, 150, good.
Yeah,
good.
yeah, yeah.
Maybe
Okay.
another night. Tomorrow night, maybe. Because now go sleep. Now sleep, hotel.
Hotel, okay?
No, me sleep there.
No, 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 work, no good.
Hotel there.
No good.
1 minute.
50.
No, hotel there.
50.
Look, come.
50 Việt Nam đồng.
Hotel is there.
What? Where from?
Italy.
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 Good. Work no good.
Walk good.
No good. No
You
good.
see? Skinny.
No
skinny.
good. No good. Yeah. 40.
What's your name?
40.
Because
When?
People say-
When?
where? Okay, guys, if you want to come here,
No.
of caffè.
No.
Tu sei-
No.
Ciao, sì, ciao. Walk, no good. Well, half an hour, 150,000, it's actually good. Not bad. One night, there was one of these guys on the bike was driving very slow next to me. There was no way to get rid of this guy. And at some point, basically on the phone, hello, he even showed me a kind of a preview of a guy banging a woman, just to make sure it's real, like I'm not talking BS. If you want, I can actually help you. Was his point, basically. Bloody crazy, but anyway. Yeah, they are closing. Hello. You have Saigon? Saigon.
Còn vàng
Khám phá những cách mới để đắm mình vào điệu nhạc với Spotify Premium.
Yeah, how much?
Tính năng chọn bài thông minh
Price?
để sắp nhạc vào danh sách phát để giới thiệu cho bạn những giai điệu mới. Hoặc bạn có thể tạo trải nghiệm nghe nhạc chung khi bắt đầu một trend. Cơ hội để bạn và bạn bè cùng tìm và nghe nhạc.
20,000.
Nắm
Yes.
được ngữ để tìm hiểu thêm.
Come on, thank you. Come on.
đây
Bye bye. 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 Ah, really? Wow, thank you. Come on. Very good. Thank you. Come on. Little gift at the shop. That's beautiful restaurant. Hello. Now on the left, Circle K, some water. And that's it. Got 2 bottles of water. Alright guys, I catch you in the next one as usual. Ciao ciao.